morning, students. Today we will discuss one of the poetries of standard 9. Topic is The Road Not Taken, and the poet is Robert Frost. So let us first discuss about the poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet, very famous poet because the common things in life, the day-to-day happenings in life, he describes in a very significant way, in a very lucid way, or we can say in a very nice manner. And for this reason only, he has achieved 4 times the Pulitzer Award. And the other literary works of Robert Frost are Fire and the Ice. This is also one of the most important and famous poetry that you will study in your 10th grade, 10th standard. So let us discuss about our point, the road not taken. What do you mean by the road not taken? The road not taken means the way which we have left, the choice which we have left. So in this poetry, the poet, he has symbolized our life with roads. He has symbolized our life with roads. And he said that in our life, we human beings, we come to a point where 2 diverse roads are there, or 2 different choices are there in front of us. And during that time, it's very difficult on the part of the human beings to choose one of them. Choice making is very important in life, students, because this choice, it makes or mar our life. The choice only the basic thing upon which the future of the human beings depends. Our success and failure depends. So in this poetry, the poet is saying that while making choice, we have to be very cautious. We have to think very carefully. And while 2 divergent choices are there, 2 ways are there, 2 alternatives are there, during that time, the human beings, they come to a point of confusion or dilemma. To which road they will go and to which path or road they will lead. So in our life also, you say this happens or not? Most of the time, if 2 choices are there, 2 alternatives are there, we are in confusion. Which path we will choose? Which path we will lead? And the road, which road we will go to get the success, to achieve the success, and which road to be left. So the road not taken means the road which was left. So now let us come to the poetry. Here, the well-known poem is about making choices, as I told you, and the choices that shapes our destiny. The destiny of human beings actually depends upon the choices. And Frost is an American poet who writes every literary works in a very simple manner, but complex things he represents in his poetry in a simple manner. So 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And being one traveler long I stood, and I looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. This is the first stanza of this poem. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood. Here, one of the difficult word for you is diverged. What is the meaning of diverged? Diverged means separated, or we can say differentiated. So the one day, what happened? Poet Robert Frost, he was just walking down. He was walking through a yellow forest. Why the forest is said to be a yellow forest? Because it was the season of autumn. In autumn, the trees, they shed the leaves, and during that time, the leaves, they become yellow. And the forest, it was looking very nice. Yellow it was looking. So in the autumn season, one day, poet Robert Frost, he was moving through a forest. He was walking down a forest. And 2 roads diverged, and he reached to a point where 2 diverse roads were there. 2 separated roads were there. The poet was standing here, and before him, in front of him, 2 diverse roads were there. And sorry, I could not travel both. And poet is saying here, he wanted to travel both the roads because he knows the pros and cons, the advantages and disadvantages of both the roads. Both the roads were looking similar to him, but being a single traveler at the same point of time, he cannot travel through both the roads. And being one traveler, long-eyed stood, and for this reason, poet stood there for a pretty long period of time. He could not make a choice, or he was not able to make a choice to which way he should go, to which road he will adapt, and which road he will leave. It was very difficult on his part to decide, to make a choice. And looked down as far as I could. Then, by standing here, he looked down to a road as far as he could, to where it met in the undergrowth. Another difficult word here is undergrowth. And what is the meaning of undergrowth? Undergrowth means the growth of plants or bushes is called as undergrowth. So when he saw one road, it was filled with bushes and plants. Then took the other just as fair. Then the poet is saying the other road was also similar. Both the roads were looking similar to him and having perhaps a better claim. Better claim means what? Better claim means better option. What is the meaning of better claim? Better claim means better option. It means better option. So here the poet is saying, when we saw one road, it was full of bushes and plants. The other road was little bit fair. So he thought this way is better or this way is better. And he is saying that the second one, it looks better option or better claim. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Because it was grassy and wanted wear means it was not travelled by many people. So this is also another difficult word, students. That is wanted wear. Wanted wear. What is the meaning of wanted wear? Less travelled by. Wanted wear means less travelled by. So the road which was grassy and less travelled by, that road seemed to be lucrative, or that road seemed to be better claim or better option for the point. So the second road, it was a better claim for Robert Frost because it was grassy and it was wanted wear. Wanted wear means less travelled by. Thou, as for that the passing there had owned them really about the same. Thou, both the roads were looking similar, but the point he wanted to choose the road which was less travelled by or wanted wear. You see, students, in life, if some people they are taking risks, they are making the choice which is very challenging or very difficult, then their life is becoming very successful. History is full of examples of this, isn't it? So here also poet Robert Frost, he wanted to go through the road which was less travelled by. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no state had trodden black. Trodden black means that way was not travelled by many people. Then he is saying, I shall be telling this with a sigh. S-I-G-H sigh means what? S-I-G-H sigh means deep breathe. Sigh means deep breathe. So whenever you are in a relaxed mood, whenever you are in sorrow, deep breathe you are taking or not? So the point also, he is telling this with a sigh or deep breath. Somewhere edges and edges hence, two roads diverged in a wood. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. That has made all the difference. So you just see the concluding line of this point. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. That means here the poet wants to represent the theme. The poet wants to tell the theme that the road which is more challenging, the road which is difficult, the road which is less traveled by, that is the best road. And for this reason, that made a difference, that made all the difference in his life, that made his life totally different. So from this we can conclude that our choices only, it is responsible for our success and failure, for our joy and sorrows, for our destiny. So while making choice in life, we have to be very careful, we have to be very cautious, so that we cannot repent upon the road not taken. That means the road in which we have not traveled, the choices which we have left. Thank you.